If you've got a kid who loves building, creating, or just taking things apart to see how they work, this little machine might be your new secret weapon. Today we're unboxing and testing a kid-friendly 3D printer that's designed to be safe, simple, and actually fun for beginners. Right out of the box, everything is packaged really cleanly. You get the fully enclosed 3D printer. You also get 4 PLA filaments in different colors, so your kid could start printing right away without buying anything extra. There's the power cable, a quick start guide, and the touchscreen is already built in. No assembly required. It's compact too, so it fits on a desk or a shelf without taking over a whole lot of room. This is designed specifically for kids in classrooms. The exterior stays cool to the touch. The print area is enclosed, and the interface is super simple. Even the icons on the touchscreen are kid-friendly. One of my favorite parts is the Wi-Fi and app control. You can browse their toy library, which updates every week. Pick a design and send it straight to the printer. Parents can monitor the progress from their phone, which is great if you're multitasking. Loading filament is guided step by step on the screen as well, so kids can actually learn how the process works instead of just pressing a button. And the print bed is non-heated, which adds another layer of safety. Alright, let's print something. I'm choosing a small toy tugboat from the app. They've got animals, characters, little gadgets, all kinds of stuff. And it's surprisingly quiet. The enclosed chamber keeps everything contained. No loose filament, no exposed parts, equals no mess. And here's the final result. It actually comes out really clean for a beginner level printer. Kids get to design, create, and then hold something they made, which is such a cool STEM learning moment. If you're looking for a safe, easy, and genuinely educational 3D printer for kids, this one checks all the boxes. Great for home, great for classrooms, and honestly, just a fun way to get kids into STEM early.